Got too much backyard fruit and not sure what to do with it? Here's how to turn your surplus into natural fruit leather. No dehydrator needed. Fruit leather is a simple way to save fruit that's a bit bruised or overripe. It stores well, cuts food waste, and makes a great snack for kids and adults. Start by washing your fruit and removing seeds or stones. Chop it up and cook gently in a saucepan with a splash of lemon juice to stop browning. If the fruit is tart, add a little honey or sugar, but keep it minimal for a real fruit flavor. Simmer until soft, then blend to a smooth puree. Line a baking tray with baking paper and pour the puree in, spreading it evenly to about 5 mm thick. Dry in your oven at its lowest setting, usually around 60 degrees, with the door slightly ajar to let moisture escape. This can take 4 to 8 hours, so check every hour. Don't rush or turn up the heat or you'll get brittle or cooked edges. The leather is ready when it's dry but still flexible. Peel it off, cut into strips, and roll up. Store in an airtight container. Homemade fruit leather is a brilliant way to use what you've grown and cut waste.